How to modify Instagram's Android notification sound. Hi guys, so in this video, I will teach you how to modify Instagram's Android notification sound. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, let's head over to our Instagram, and from in there, just click on the three lines up here. Click on settings right here, and from in there you can see the notifications right here. So let's click on notifications and make sure that all notifications right here are turned on. So let's click on messages right here and make sure this is turned on, this is turned on, this is turned on, and all of this are turned on. So make sure to click on this from primary and general right here and make sure that all of this are turned on. Now that you have turned on the notification, you can just head over to your settings, and from there just scroll down until you can see the apps, and from in there click on app management and scroll down in this list right here and find Instagram. So here's Instagram right here. So click on manage notifications, and you can see in here that you can allow notifications right here. So make sure that you have allowed any of them. So now that you have allowed notifications, let's head back to the home settings. So from in there, just click on notification and status bar right here. And from in there, just click on scroll, and you can see that this is turned on. So make sure that Instagram is turned on. And from in there, click on more settings, and you can actually allow all of this right here. So if you want to change the sound, you can head over to sound and vibration and then click on ringtones or message tone right here and change the tones that you want to have. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to modify Instagram's Android notification sound. If you have questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.